bang, Guapo gang, back with another video, man. In today's video, I had a subscriber DM me, and ladies and gentlemen, keep DMing me with your questions. I love answering them. The question was, how can I stay lean year round? And to be honest, there's really only 3 ways that you can stay lean year round. The number 1 way, which is my least favorite way, is you could hop on gear. Whether that's steroids, SARMs, testosterone, you could hop on gear, but that's my least favorite way. I believe stay natural, put in the hard work. Number 2, great genetics. If you just have insane genetics, someone like Jesse James West or Austin Dunham, who I sincerely believe that they are natural, it's very easy to put on muscle and lose fat at the same time, or just put on muscle and they will not gain fat. So great genetics. And the 3rd way, which is my favorite way, is stay disciplined year round. What do I mean by that? So first, cut down to the weight, or cut down to the body fat percentage that you want to be at year round. Maybe that's 10%, 11%, 9%, whatever it may be. Cut down to that body fat percentage. That's what I did. And then very slowly eat in a caloric surplus. Eat in about a 100 calorie surplus, possibly 200, and you could do so. And Greg Doucette actually introduced me to this method, and I think it is awesome. It is called the process of main gaining. It's called main gaining. Basically, you just eat in a very slow caloric surplus, and you just build muscle, and you're not gaining any fat. I personally do not believe in the dirty bulk. I did a dirty bulk last year, and they ended up looking like that. That is my 3 ways to stay lean year round. Number 1, hop on gear. Do not recommend that at all, but I'm just saying the truth here. You could hop on gear. Number 2 is just great genetics, which most of us don't have. Most of us do not have those 1 in a million genetics. Or number 3 is you cut down to the body fat percentage that you want to be at, and then stay disciplined year round. Just eat in a very slow caloric surplus. If you learned something in today's video, just enjoyed it, whatever it may be, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below. And again, my subscribers, keep DMing me with questions, man. It just gives me more content to put out. That's all for today's video. Bang, bang, Guapo gang, we out.